Welcome back, Minecraft fans. This is Punky76 back in tutorial world. Today I'm going to bring you a fish farm or fishing farm, formerly AFK, but there is no AFK now in Bedrock, or I don't believe there's AFK in anything. But this is the closest we've got. Nice and easy little fish farm. I've done a couple of designs here, so you can see we've got what I think looks like an old crypt type thing, like a coffin on a stand, and that basically pop that down. You can start fishing in there, and all the goodies drop down in here. This is how I'm going to show you how to do this design, but I've done a more modern kind of looking bit more of a, I don't know, fish tanky feel to it. Fish in the back there. Yeah, so couple of design ideas for you. Fairly easy build, but this is a pretty good. Let me just get a fishing rod. There we go. So basically, if we come over to here, open down the trapdoor, stand quite close, aim at the top, whack your fishing rod in. It will retract itself, and the bobber, when it gets sucked down, it gets tracked in itself. There you go. And so you only have to press the button once each cast. You don't have to drag it in yourself. You don't have to double click. So yeah, that's it basically. There you go. Nice and easy. Pull it in, close it up. What do we get? A couple of fish. There we go. Nothing major from that. Fish farms, as you know, they're best off. They work better when it's raining, and so yes, ideally you don't want to build this in a desert. They still work, but you get better fish rates when it's raining. And ideally you've got the normal fishing rod, but this is the best rod you need. Luck of the Sea 3 and Lure 3. You do not require mending. You do not require unbreaking. Your fishing rod does not take durability damage in this farm. You can have them, but you don't need them. Unbreaking and mending, that is. Anyway, there's the materials as you can see. Take a screenshot. Pause the video. I will put a list of all the items in the description. Let's grab this lot. We will grab our better fishing rod. So what we are going to need, the total build base is what we got, 7 blocks long. This is the furthest back we go, and the hole we require is at the front here on this front corner. It is 3 blocks down, and it is a 3 by 2, and the chest will go, or the part of the chest will go in this front little bit here. So there's your plan. If you're building it into a structure, that is what you need. If you're building like the crypt bit that I'm going to do, you can just whack this out around your build, somewhere around your house or castle or whatever it is you're building. Right, let's get into this. First of all, take your droppers. We need to go stand on this edge here. So looking down in this edge, we want dropper coming up in the middle of that bit there. Then drop down in the hole. We need to place a comparator coming out of that dropper and aiming into this block. Knock that bit of dirt out there, or block out there. Place a repeater aiming across. Take this one out. Place a redstone dust, and then round, jump and place a repeater. So you've got comparator, repeater, redstone dust, repeater. This is your little dropper elevator circuit, which will get the items up. It's as easy as that. While you're down here, come around the back, place a dropper aiming into the back of that hopper into the back of the dropper. Okay. While you're down here as well, above that hopper, place a sign. Don't need to write anything on it. Okay. We can now use these bits to jump out. Up the front here, chest, crouch and place on a chest. Go back to your hoppers, come round the back, and now crouch and place into the back of your chest. So as the items will go into this hopper as you're fishing, go into the dropper, the signal will get passed around this little loop, and the items will come up into the hopper, and the hopper will feed them into this chest. Super, super simple. Right, we now need, let's get some building blocks. I haven't got any building blocks on me. Let me grab some building blocks. Where should we go? We're building with stone bricks, so let's go for stone brick. We don't need the droppers anymore. Come down here, in this back corner, make a little tower, come up by 1 extra. Around this side, come up by 1. Okay? Get your rails and place it at the back of the hole. If your rail is going the other direction, so going this way, place another one here, just to orientate them, aiming at the hole, okay? Take your minecart hopper, place it on the rail, give it a little nudge, and you just want, these blocks will just help it stay in line. If you don't have these, as it comes off the rail, it can turn and it won't fall down the hole properly. As you can see, it's trying to turn there. But there you go. Just give it a little nudge and it will fall down the hole eventually. Let's get rid of these. Don't need them anymore. Next, we need our bucket of lava. We're going to place our bucket of lava in here. We have the sign down here, so it will stop the lava flowing anywhere. It will just sit there. The reason we have the hopper aiming into this chest, it separates the chest away from the lava. So if you have fire spreads on, it will not set fire to this chest. That's one thing you need to remember, guys, when you're building this. Don't use wooden blocks around this area because they will catch fire if you have fire spread on. So, building blocks. 1, 2, 3 in that little configuration there. Take your trapdoors. We can actually, I'll tell you what, let's place 4. Let's do it that way. This will make life slightly easier. Run round this with trapdoors. Okay. Now we need to not stand in the lava. Punch these 2 blocks out. Take our chest, and on the front one of these 2, place the chest. Crouch, place sign on the front. Okay? Easy as that. Get our stair blocks. Again, this is building the crypt looking thing over there. You can use what other blocks you want, but just try to use ones that do not burn. Place 3 down the side, 1 next to the lava, and then 2. 1 on the back, and then a row of 3 down this side. Crouch and place 1 on top of the hopper. Okay. Next, we want our bucket of water. We need a bucket with a cod and a name tag. So the bucket with a cod, if you get a bucket and go and find a lake or a river or sea thing, and you can catch a cod that way. Right, this one's a little bit tricky. You want to place this bucket, we need to waterlog this chest, but if you aim it here it won't work. So we need to, ideally, you want to come right down on this front edge. There, so I'm aiming at the top of the block, okay? Not the chest itself, the top of the block. Place the water and you will see it will do that. It will waterlog the chest. Come up the top, take your bucket with a cod in it, place it on the block at the back. You'll have your little fishy swimming around. Take your name tag. If you take a name tag to an anvil and name it Punk D76, your life will just be better for it. There you go. Name the fish Punk D76. It will stop it despawning. You can name it whatever you want, but why not? Why not make it Punk D76? Right. We now need just on the decoration stage now. So let's go to there. Our stair blocks. I am going to get a dirt block there. Sorry, a wall block. So wall and wall in each corner. Just going to change these ones underneath the back corners. Just get rid of these. just to make it look nicer. There we go. And then we need our slabs. Come up on top. So basically you want to place slabs on all the blocks apart from the ones with the water below it, because it just helps with when it's raining. If the water has it can get rained on, then you will get better rates from it. Back to the trapdoors on the side, one on the front, one on the side, and there you go. Your build is done. If you start off with a basic fishing rod, as you fish with this, you will get fish up better rods as you go along. And like I say, the best you want to find is one with luck of the sea 3 and lure 3. That's the best you can find. If it's got mending and unbreaking, happy days. It's not going to make any difference. That's a bit low, that one. But that will, as you can see, it will sit there bobbing away, and it will get sucked in a moment. There you go. Same a bit higher, and then there you go. The ball's sitting a bit higher. If you aim it right at the top of the sign. And then, yeah, like I say, because of the lava, when the bubble catches a fish, it drops into the lava, which automatically retracts it. The catch will go down into the chest. So you can see 2 casts, 2 fish. It will fall down into the chest. And then all you need to do is recast. And that's it. So there you go, guys. As you fish away, you will get better rods, you will get better items, which will, the better the rod, the better the rates you will get. If it's raining as well, you get even better rates. And there you go. Obviously, that's the design. You can choose your design how you want to do it. I hope this video is helpful. Hope you liked it. Please hit me up in the comments if you liked it and built it. Let me know what you thought. Please hit the like and the subscribe. Please check out my videos I do with my friend Junior. It's our Let's Play Survival World, where we just tend to die quite a lot. It's good fun. We're just having a laugh. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.